In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Yahoo Mail not receiving emails. Whether you're missing important messages from work or friends, or you simply want to make sure your inbox is running smoothly, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Yahoo Mail account by going to mail.yahoo.com and logging in with your email and password. Once you're in your inbox, take a moment to check your spam and trash folders. Sometimes Yahoo's filters can mistakenly send valid messages there. If you find any missing emails, select them and click Not Spam to return them to your inbox. Next, let's review your email filters, which may be automatically moving incoming messages to other folders. To do this, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select More Settings. On the left panel, choose Filters. Here, you'll see all the rules you've set up for your mail. If any filter looks suspicious or unnecessary, click Edit or Delete to remove it. This step ensures important emails don't get redirected or deleted by mistake. Now, check your mailbox storage. If your account is close to full, new messages won't arrive until you free up space. To view this, go to More Settings again and scroll down to find the storage section. If you're near the limit, try deleting old emails or clearing large attachments. Alternatively, consider upgrading your Yahoo Mail plan for more storage if you receive a lot of messages. To make the process smoother, make sure your internet connection is stable and your browser or Yahoo Mail app is updated to the latest version. Outdated software can sometimes cause syncing problems that prevent emails from showing up. Once you've completed these steps, refresh your inbox and try sending yourself a test email. If it arrives, that means everything's working correctly again. From here on, you should be able to receive messages in real time without any issues. It's also a good idea to enable account recovery options like a backup email or phone number in case you ever run into login or delivery problems in the future. Doing this adds an extra layer of protection and keeps your Yahoo Mail account secure. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix Yahoo Mail not receiving emails quickly and ensure your inbox stays organized and reliable. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.